basketball families, parents and youth. Parents, if you're raising a young basketball player and you've never played basketball or you've never played with a basketball at all, then I invite you to join me on my platform. I'm going to teach you and your child more about the game of basketball. This program is designed for 4th through 7th graders as well as parents, and I invite you to log on, have fun, and learn more about the game of basketball. So join me, Coach Anthony Reed. We're going to have some fun and increase your hoop skills IQ.
Before we get started, let's take a quick sneak peek at what students will see when they enter class. The format we'll be using for this class is multiple choice video questions. Students will have an opportunity to look at fun video questions and choose the best answer. After students answer on their own, I'm going to provide in-depth answers and explanations to each question. From there, we're going to continue to build, making sure every student understands before we move on to the next lesson. At the end of class, after all of the video questions have been answered, I'm going to provide an in-depth post-assessment to assess how much students have retained during our class.